In this video, I'll show you how to block YouTube in pfSense Firewall. Firstly, log into your pfSense web admin interface. Navigate to Services, then DHCP Server. Under there, you'll find Releases, which is an option to set static DHCP for devices you want to block websites for. This ensures specific device always receive the same IP address. So save your changes to assign static IPs to those devices. This will allow for further custom filtering. Now, from the top menu, go to Services DNS Resolver. Scroll to the bottom and enable Display Custom Options. In the Custom Options box, add a configuration statement such as include var/ and bound / your custom file name. Replace your custom file name with the actual file name where custom rules will be stored. After, add in your configuration, which is YouTube, click Save to apply the changes. Now all you have to do is save the changes and reboot your computer or your router. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.